Welcome to Fine Carts Incorporated, where innovation meets reliability in the heart of every commercial kitchen. In partnership with leading manufacturers, we are proud to introduce a new generation of kitchen and cold storage equipment designed to meet the evolving needs of restaurants, hotels, meat producers, retailers, and supply chains. We also offer the tools that refine your kitchen's prep workflow. Our cooler room storage plays an inherent part of commercial kitchen and gives your business a competitive advantages to store any products from meat to produce. Our cutting-edge customization gives us the abilities to design the equipment based on the existing space, the customer precise measurement. That's all we need to start. Now, let's explore cold storage and refrigeration, where freshness meets flexibility. Our reach in refrigerators from cold storage to upright freezers, under-counter freezers, glass wine cooler, open freezer, large or medium and small grocery store refrigerator are built to cope with daily demands, providing fast access and stable temperatures. Under-counter units save space and streamline prep stations. For high-volume operations, our walk-in coolers and freezers are essential, offering secure, climate-controlled environments tailored to your layout. Our refrigerated prep tables combine cold storage with efficient prep surfaces, a must-have in fast-paced kitchens. Behind the bar, our bottle coolers and bar fridges are built to keep beverages at optimal temperatures, ensuring consistent service. Glass chillers extend shelf life and meet HACCP standards by rapidly reducing food temperature. Our ice machines produce cube, flake, or nugget ice to suit any setting, from cocktails to seafood displays. For fine dining and retail, our wine fridges and display refrigerators combine functionality with style. And here's where Fine Carts stands apart. We don't just offer equipment, we build solutions. Our high-quality cold storage rooms are custom-built from the ground up, tailored to any indoor space, layout, or volume requirement. For outdoor use, our container coolers offer the same precision and performance in a portable, weather-resistant format. Whether for meat, produce, or any temperature-sensitive goods, we design to your specs and deliver excellence every time. At Fine Carts, we're not just expanding our product line from meats to advanced commercial kitchen. We're redefining what's possible in commercial kitchens. Partner with us to elevate your food service operation, streamline your workflow, and deliver exceptional results. Let's build or upgrade your commercial kitchen and cooler storage the size tailored your business needs. At Fine Carts, we help our client raise the bar to perfection. Let's find the most durable and high-end eyes-catching design solution together. Email us at sales@finecarts.com.